All right, so let's look at a couple of more of the stocks. By the way, I just turned on the audio on YouTube. Sorry about that, guys. So we got right there. The next thing we're going to look at is ANTA. Here's is that right? I'm sorry, I spelled it wrong. ANTE. Okay, so ANTE. This one spreads a little. Not the greatest. It's 28 cents by 32 wide. So it's a 4-cent spread. It's usually bigger than that. But she's kind of flatline. She's up 49%, 3.2 million shares. Look over here on the right-hand side on level 3. Don't really see any big iceberg orders out there, but you're not seeing a lot of algo stocks like on BNGO. And let me just bring that up. You see all the algos right there? 16,000, 23,000. This is all algos, okay? So you got to be careful when you look at a stock like this. Now let's go hop over here on the B list. OCGN is the one stock that I found up 100%. Now, stock's up big. Stock was a 50-cent stock. You could see this thing. We also traded this all week last week, and it was a fun stock. It was gapped up, but it does have those shakes. Remember, look at your journals and see how you traded it, because I know we all traded it. And if you didn't trade it, you should at least have traded one stinking share, okay? Because remember, it's not trading a lot. You're supposed to trade. You're supposed to buy less, but trade more frequently. And if you get nervous and you want to be in the stock just for educational purposes, go out there and just trade one share. That's all you need to do, because demo is worthless. I hear people talking about their trading on demo. You'll never learn on demo. The only thing is demo, okay, is like, I'll give you a good example what demo is. Demo is us launching our new chat room today and learning it over, like a week. After a while, I mean, what more you need to practice? You know how it works. Take some time. That's it. Demo mode that's what it is on the software. You just need to learn the platform, but eventually you have to trade, especially now in today's times. What's it cost you to do a trade? Free? So how much could you lose at one share? You got to get into it, and you got to put money on the line to really learn. I know you're not going to make any money. You're not going to lose any money, but you got to have some skin in the game. Remember, it's a point system, not a dollar system. NCTY, another one that made the watch list, but it is a penny stock. Oh, how could it be a penny stock, Fausto? It's $6, $5. Yeah, well, guess what? It is. Penny stocks don't mean that they're in the pennies. These stocks are obviously not on the NASDAQ National. And the reason how I know that, you look at the level 3 and you can see tenths of a penny, which automatically puts that on my C list. All right. Another one that looked pretty interesting this morning. So the stock obviously right here, decent spread, but it's kind of flatline. That's why I put it on my B list, because it's not really going anywhere, but it is gapped up. And we always find these things, they end up making a move somehow. Could jump into the A list. EBON, another stock's up pretty decently, good volume, spread, and it's going to probably be more of a category 3. It is trending down. I like these great Fausto flags that you see right here. These were pretty nice. So we'll keep an eye on those flags right there. But you can see how it's kind of backing off right now. So if it does look like it's breaking the lows, it's probably throwing on a C list. What else we got? NXTD, another one. Scratch. I don't know why I had that on there. That's garbage. QS. So here's a stock getting hammered. Look at this thing. Great short. Stock was 130. Remember I was talking about this last week? The stock that got destroyed. Another one. I got the symbol off the top of my head. But remember what I was telling you earlier? Like, just because the stock is, I don't trade, stocks under $5, $10. I only trade $50, $60 stocks. Great. You know what the difference is between an $80 stock and a $5 stock? $5 stock only down 5 more points. This thing could go down another 130 points. And you can see it. Look at that. Imagine waking up in the morning. By the way, little lesson learned right now. Look what a beautiful situation this stock is. You want to be a good swing trader? Damn well better know what happens over the course of the day, because if you didn't see that happening as it was trickling down, guess what? You would have woke up this morning and like, shoot, why didn't I sell it on Thursday when I could have got it at 100? Now you're at 60. What do you do now? Okay. By the way, Chewy, let me bring up Chewy really quick. Okay. I sold Chewy at 104. Okay. Where is it now? It dropped down to 89. Okay. How did I know to get out of it? Because I day traded it. Okay. I was swing trading the stock, but once it started breaking and start making this little Fausto flag right there, I got out of it. All right. That was the only reason why. What was the other one? Pins. I sold pins too. Check out pins. Same thing. Okay. I sold pins at 73. All right. Why did I get out 73? Because I think it was like 72. And you can see where now it's at 65. Now, I'm a big fan of Pinterest. If it holds here, I'll buy back. But you got to know how to day trade because it's what trickles down into a swing trade. And that's where people get themselves in trouble. A few more other stocks. One more that got getting crushed. Okay. We spoke about QS. I think there's one more. CLA. Yeah, this one too is getting taking a hell of a haircut. All right. But just remember, biosciences, right away, when you look at the last word in the company's name, automatically tells you pharmaceutical. Remember, we talked about pharmaceutical. They don't come back. All right. So that pretty much does it, traders. We got a pretty decent list. Just be very careful on a Monday. I'm not a big fan of being aggressive. I was very conservative last week. Monday you want to be a little conservative. Try not to hit these big home runs. Try to take those big profits and be careful of those blockchain stocks, okay? Because they're hard to day trade if you haven't learned that already. And always remember, there's going to be new ones that are going to pop up anyway going into this week. But you got a brand new slate. Hopefully everybody, all you students out there, you did your monthly journals. Hopefully you had some time to analyze what you did over the year. And now is a new chapter. And that's where it comes down to starting all over again. Now, anything I'm missing I did not call out? Cyber traders? Lita said she made about 13 cents on the HOTH. All right. There you go. Nice little pop right there. Cheap, inexpensive. Nice little stock. Way to go, Lita. Anything else? All right. So, cyber traders, hope you guys can enjoy the trading room really quick. And like I said, just give us some time to kind of get used to it. And hopefully everybody will get used to it. I think you can enjoy it better than the other one. We actually really had no choice to change it because, with the Flash being eliminated, it was going to make things difficult. But like I said, just be very careful the first 5 minutes of the open. We'll start commentating once the market opens up. And then for everybody here, YouTube, Facebook Live, we'll be back here at 2:30 to do the afternoon. If you always want to join us, just click on the bottom, like us, friend us, and we'll get you in the trading room. All right, guys. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading, and we'll see you. We'll start commentating a little bit.